This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing a GIF you can legally use, then check format and aspect ratio. Since shorts prefer vertical 9, 16, rotate, or crop now, this prevents re-editing later. Once done, decide whether to convert the GIF to MP4 up front. I recommend converting for compatibility, or import the GIF into an editor that preserves animation. Make sure file size is reasonable and duration stays within 60 seconds. This saves upload headaches and keeps YouTube behavior predictable. Now you refine the GIF for shorts. Import it into your editor and trim to the most engaging segment. You should set the frame rate to 24-30 FPS for smooth playback and convert to MP4 if your upload tool struggles with GIF. Once imported, add captions and position overlays so they're readable on small screens. Make sure text stays inside the safe area. Also, add background or padding to convert square GIF into vertical video without stretching. This step improves viewer retention. Finish by exporting your file as MP4 using H.264 and a vertical resolution like 1080 x 1920. This balances quality and size. Then upload to YouTube as a short, include a clear title, description, and relevant hashtags, and set audience options. Once uploaded, check playback on mobile. If the GIF looks static, convert it again at 30 FPS or flatten animations before re-exporting. Also, if you run into copyright flags, swap to licensed content or obtain permission to avoid takedowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.